I'm sure you've heard the news, but let's dive into why it matters. Botswana is turning a new page. On a historic day in Gaborone, Duma Boko was sworn in as the new president of Botswana, ending the Botswana Democratic Party's remarkable 58-year reign. Thousands gathered at the National Stadium to witness this momentous occasion. Boko's umbrella for Democratic Change Party secured 36 parliamentary seats, signaling a significant shift in the political landscape. In his inaugural address, Boko called for unity and collaboration, praising his predecessor, Mokgweetsi Masisi, for his peaceful concession. The new administration faces formidable challenges, such as unemployment, economic diversification, and corruption. Yet the atmosphere is charged with optimism and hope. Nelson Chamisa, a guest at the inauguration, echoed this sentiment, expressing his faith in a brighter future for both Botswana and Zimbabwe. He reminded everyone to keep the faith and stay the course. As the world watches, Botswana embarks on this new chapter with aspirations for continued peace, progress, and prosperity. Here's to a new era of hope and unity. Stay tuned for more updates on this historic journey.